Let's be real. Building on Pinterest can feel overwhelming. Between creating eye-catching pins, scheduling posts, and finding the right content, it's enough to make your head spin. Fear not, because today, I'm unveiling 7 epic tools that will transform you from a Pinterest newbie to a board-building boss. Number 1. Pin Generator. It's perfect if you have a blog or product to promote. Simply enter the URL of the web page for which you want to create the pins, and within seconds, you can generate multiple pins. You can select the photos you want to keep, change the colors, edit the design, rewrite titles and descriptions with the AI tool, and more. It's perfect for quickly creating eye-catching pins without any design skills. You can generate the pins for free, but you need to buy a subscription to download and use them. Price starts at $9.99 a month. Number 2. Canva. Canva is a graphic design tool. It's perfect for Pinterest because it offers thousands of templates specifically designed for pins. With its easy-to-use interface, you can customize templates, add text, images, and even animations. It has a huge library of stock photos and free templates. You can also purchase a template separately. Even without the pro elements, you have tons of free options to work with. Number 3. Tailwind. It's my favorite tool on the list. It has made my Pinterest journey much easier. It is a scheduling tool that lets you queue up your pins in advance. Your pins get automatically posted with all the details. You can even find out the best time to post with the Smart Schedule feature. It analyzes your audience's activity and suggests the best times to post. Plus, it offers powerful analytics so you can see which pins are performing best. You can even use Tailwind communities to collaborate with other pinners and share your content with relevant boards. With the free Forever plan, you can schedule up to 5 posts a month. For more credits, you can buy plans starting at $14.99 a month. Number 4. Pinterest Trends. Let's face it, creating fresh content can be a drag. That's where Pinterest Trends comes to the rescue. This built-in Pinterest tool helps you discover trending topics and keywords. You can see what people are searching for and tailor your content accordingly. And all of this is absolutely free. Use this tool to keep your post relevant and timely and increase your chances of going viral. Number 5. Notion. It isn't just a note-taking app. It's a complete content management system. You can use it to plan your Pinterest content calendar, organize ideas, and track your progress. Add team members to your workspace and collaborate in real time. Storing content on Notion is so easy because of its numerous customization offers, and you don't even have to pay for it if there are less than 10 members added to your workspace. To add more members, you will need to purchase a subscription billed at $8 per seat per month. Number 6. CapCut. CapCut videos are becoming increasingly popular on Pinterest. So you totally need a free video editing tool. CapCut is your answer. It has tons of features you can use for free, but for this video, we are only focusing on its online video editor feature. It allows you to add music, text overlays, and even trendy transitions to your pins. Whether you're creating short tutorials, product demos, or promotional clips, CapCut has you covered. You can export your videos in Pinterest-friendly formats to ensure they look great on the platform. Number 7. Gemini. It was formerly known as Bard. It's a free AI chatbot that can create amazing written content for your pin ideas. You can ask Gemini to give you pin ideas, write compelling pin copies, create useful pin descriptions, and more. You can even generate images by giving an appropriate prompt. The images aren't always that reliable, but the content is amazing. It can even search through Google's search engine for relevant information. It's like your personal research and writing assistant minus the payment. And that's it, folks. You now have excellent tools in your arsenal to create content on Pinterest. These are sufficient to get you started and sustain your audience for the long run. What's your biggest struggle when it comes to creating Pinterest content? A. Finding ideas. B. Designing pins. C. Scheduling posts. Let your voice be heard in the comments. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such amazing recommendations.